requires intense training, which the pilots of the Indian Air Force are known worldwide for. The next maneuver is very special as it is a combination of the loop and the roll maneuver. We call it the clover maneuver. Here you will see the team coming in from your right and outlining the shape of a clover leaf, which is the symbol of hope, faith and good luck. Mysuru, can you spot them? Here they are from your right, ready to show you their clover maneuver. Pulling up just like a loop, but you will soon see them changing the direction by 90 degrees and coming right ahead in front of you. And there they have changed the direction by 90 degrees and coming right back down. Mysuru, you are being such an enthusiastic and full of Josh audience, and to return the favor and show you their love, our next maneuver will be presented by number 8 and 9. You will soon see them pulling up in the sky and drawing the shape of a heart as a symbol of their love for the wonderful people of Mysuru. So are you ready? There they go, number 8 and 9 are in the sky, drawing the shape of a heart to show you their love. And there comes our Cupid number 6 drawing an arrow through the heart. This one's for you, Mysuru. Team showing you the love for the Mysuru audience. Ladies and gentlemen, the next maneuver is also very special as it is the showstopper maneuver of the team. It is now time to look right ahead as the team will show you one of their showstopper maneuvers. So look straight ahead. Very soon I will transmit the leader's call. After hearing that, the team will split up into the sky in different directions. So keep looking straight ahead as here they come, 5 Suryakiran aircraft right in front of you. Keep listening out for the leader's call. We hope that you enjoyed watching today's display as much as we enjoyed presenting it for you. Idi Mysuruge Suryakiran Aerobatic Team inda tumba ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. To keep up with our schedule, you can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. Our social media handle is Suryakiran_IAF. Thank you Mysuru, ನೀವು ತುಂಬಾ ಜೋಶ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇವತ್ತು. Until we meet again, wish you a very happy Dussehra, Godspeed and Jai Hind. To remember this day by, I request you all to please check out our souvenir stalls which are set right outside the stadium to collect memories of the team which will last for a lifetime.
ಆಟೋ Vistara News.